In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a day-to-day purchase, make sure it's categorized correctly, apply the right tax, and save it so your books stay accurate and up to date. First, we'll create the expense. In your QuickBooks dashboard, click the plus icon labeled New. From the options that appear, choose Expense. This opens the expense form where you'll enter the details. Think of this as the digital equivalent of writing down a transaction in your ledger. QuickBooks just makes it structured and consistent. Next, choose the payee. This is the person or company you paid. Selecting a payee helps QuickBooks group spending by vendor for cleaner reports and easier lookups later. If you work with the same vendors frequently, keeping their names consistent prevents duplicates and makes your vendor spending summaries more meaningful. Now select the payment account. This is the bank account or credit card you used to pay for the item. Picking the correct account ensures the transaction lands in the right register, and that balances match what you see on your bank or card statements. If you routinely pay via a specific card, make it a habit to double check this field so your reconciliations go smoothly. Under category details, choose the appropriate expense account. This tells QuickBooks what type of cost it is, things like office supplies, utilities, software, or travel. If you're unsure, think about how you want this purchase to appear on your profit and loss report. Consistent categorization means cleaner insights, better budgets, and fewer adjustments at month end. When in doubt, follow your chart of accounts and any internal guidelines you have for expense coding. Enter the amount you paid. Keep an eye on whether the amount you're entering is before or after tax, based on how your business records purchases. In the tax column, select the correct tax rate for this expense. This is crucial for accurate tax reporting, especially if only certain purchases are taxable or if rates vary by region. Once you choose a rate, QuickBooks will automatically calculate the tax for you and update the totals. Give everything a quick review: payee, payment account, category, amount, and tax. Then click Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded an expense in QuickBooks. With accurate payees, the right payment account, clear categories, and the correct tax rate, your financial reports will stay reliable and your future reconciliations will be easier. Thanks for watching, and keep these steps handy the next time you log a purchase.